Alrighty, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take your old wired Android Auto connection and turn it into a wireless connection using nothing more than this little guy by AAWireless. So stick around, I'll show you what you need, the unboxing, and how to set it up. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as far as what is needed for this project, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You're going to need to get the AAWireless 2 dongle. Now just be mindful that it does come with a USB-A. So in that case, if your car has a USB-C port, just make sure you get a USB-C to USB-C cable as well. I'll put the links for everything in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So as you can see, it's just a small little box, nothing fancy to it. Pop it open and we have the dongle. Pretty just basic little container with the USB-C on the back side. And then can pop this out and we have our USB-A to USB-C cable and then a set of instructions. So that's the unboxing portion of it, so let's go ahead and set it up in the car. Now as far as the installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and remove your old wired connection. Take your dongle and go ahead and plug it in. It should light up green here and then it will turn purple when it's ready to start pairing, which I'll walk you through as well. And then something I'll probably do later on is I'll get some double-sided tape and stick this guy somewhere here to the console to just keep it out of the way and tucked in there. So now that it's turned purple, we'll go ahead and set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. And just really quick, in our example, we are using our Mazda CX9 and either USB port will work for Android Auto. But if we jump to our MX5, I do want to point out that there are particular USB slots that will only work with the Android Auto. So in our case, we have the little cell phone symbol here indicating the top port is our Android Auto port. So make sure you plug the AAWireless dongle into this port, as if you plug it into the bottom, it's not going to work. So just something I want to mention really quick. Okay, so to go ahead and pair your device, you're going to go into your phone, go up to your Bluetooth settings. So in our case, we have a Pixel 9, so we just have a quick button here. So once you're in your Bluetooth settings, go ahead and click on Pair New Device, and you should see your dongle. So in our case, ours is right here. Go ahead and click on it. Give it the permissions for call and contact history, and it's going to do its thing. Now, it's going to be a little weird. It kind of kicks it on and off, on and off. But just wait for a second while you're sitting here in your car and watch your Android Auto screen, and you'll actually see the Android automatically auto kick on. So also another thing that I noticed is on your phone itself, it will pop up the Android Auto notification, which you see up here right on top. And then once you see that, you are good to go. So let's go ahead back into the car and I'll show you what it does on our end over here. So then once your phone connects to the dongle, you'll see your Android Auto icon pop up here. It's different for every car, but again, this is an example for the Mazda CX9. As you can see, we have our phone. We are fully disconnected. And if we click over to the side, we have fully integrated wireless Android Auto. So I hope this video helped you guys that were on the fence about this. It's super easy to do. I do highly recommend it. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you around for the next one.